The BMW M54 is a straight 6 DOHC piston engine which replaced the M52 and was produced from 2000 to 2006. Compared with its M52 predecessor, the M54 features electronic throttle control. The M54 uses an aluminium block and aluminium cylinder head with cast iron cylinder liners, and like the technical updates variants of the M52, the M54 features variable valve timing for intake and exhaust valves. The E46 M3 is powered by the S54 engine series, which is an evolution of the S50B32, itself being based on the M50. It still features an iron block as opposed to the aluminum M54. Models: M54B22, the 2171cc M54B22 produces 125 kW at 6100 rpms and 210 Nm of torque at 3500 rpms. Applications: 2001 to 2006 E46 320i/320si, 2001 to 2003 E39 520i, 2001 to 2002 Z3 2.2i, 2003 to 2005 E85 Z4 2.2i, 2003 to 2005 E60/E61 520i, M54B25. The M54B25 is a 2494cc engine with an 84 Ohm bore and 75 Ohm stroke. Outputs is 143 kW at 6000 rpm and 237 Nm of torque at 3500 rpm. Applications: 2001 to 2002 E36/7 Z3 2.5i, 2001 to 2005 E46 325i/325si, 2001 to 2006 E46 325si, 2001 to 2004 E46 325t, 2001 to 2004 E39 525i, 2003 to 2005 E60/E61 525i/525xi, 2004, 2006 E83X3 2.5i, 2004 to 2006 E85 Z4 2.5i, M54B30, at 2979cc, the M54B30 is the largest M54 engine. The extra capacity is achieved using an increased stroke of 89.6 Ohm. Power is 170 kW at 5,900 rpms and torque is 300 Nm at 3,500 rpms. There was also a slightly more powerful version of the M54B30 that could be ordered as part of the M Performance package in Canada or the Performance package in the USA. This engine used different camshafts and reprogrammed engine management to develop 175 kW at 5,900 rpms and 301 Nm at 3,500 rpms and have a slightly higher readline of 6,800 rpms, although the Canadian cars still show the limiter at 6,500 rpms on the tachometer. The M54B30 was on the Ward's 10 Best Engines list through 2001 to 2003. Applications: 2000 to 2005 E46 330i/330si, 2000 to 2006 E46 330si, 2000 to 2003 E39 530i, 2000 to 2002 E36 Z3 3.0i, 2003 to 2005 E60 530i, 2003 to 2005 E85 Z4 3.0i, 2004, 2006 E83 X3 3.0i, 2001, 2006 E53 X5 3.0i, 2003 to 2006 E60 530i, S54. The S54 is the high-performance version of the M50 and was used in the E46 M3, Z3M Coupe Copyright/Roadster, and the E85 Z4M Roadster/E86M Coupe. The S54 is technically an evolution of the iron block S50B32. It shares few major components with the S50 and differences include: increased cylinder bore to 87 Ohm for a new total displacement of 3,246 cc, modified camshafts, high-pressure double VANOS continuously variable valve timing system with faster operation at higher PM, increased compression to 11.51, more advanced BMW Siemens MSS54 engine management control, finger-type rocker arms for reduced reciprocating mass and friction, one-piece aluminum head casting for lighter weight, scavenging oil pump to maintain pressure during heavy cornering, S54B32. Applications: 2001 to 2006 E46 M3 252 a kilowatt, 365 Nm, 2001 to 2006 E46 M3 248 a kilowatt, 355 Nm, 2001 to 2002 Z3M Cooper copyright/Roadster 239 a kilowatt, 354 Nm, 2001 to 2002 Z3M Cooper copyright/Roadster 235 a kilowatt, 341 Nm, 2002 to 2011 Wisman Roadster MF3 256 a kilowatt, 365 Nm, 2004 E46 M3 CSL 265 a kilowatt, 370 Nm, 2006 to 2008 E85 Z4M Roadster/E86 Z4M Coupe 252 a kilowatt, 365 Nm, 2006 to 2008 E85 Z4M Roadster/E86 Z4M Coupe 246 a kilowatt, 355 Nm, S54B32 HP, the upgraded S54 engine used in the E46 M3 CSL, officially designated S54B32 HP, has a high-flow carbon fiber air intake, modified valve and camshaft timing, and a retuned DME using an MAP sensor instead of the MAF sensor found in a standard M3. However, the engine is further modified in order to reduce weight. It features a lightweight exhaust manifold and thinner exhaust piping. Additionally, the intake and exhaust manifolds are slightly straightened to improve engine responsiveness. See also, BMW engines, BMW M52, references. External links, http www.scribd.com 79004025/BMW M54 engine.